Hi kids, welcome to my channel Kids Quest, educational channel. So let's get started, the video.
Yay!
Question number 1.
What is your name?
My name is Ethan.
Question number 2.
How are you, Ethan?
I am fine.
Question number 3.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Question number 4.
What is your favorite color, Ethan?
My favorite color is blue.
Question number 5.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 1 sister and 2 brothers.
Question number 6.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
Question number 7.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat pizza.
Question number 8.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Question number 9.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to draw.
Question number 10.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Question number 11.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Question number 12.
If you could be any animal, which one would you be?
I would be a lion.
Question number 13.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is soccer.
Question number 14.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Question number 15.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen.
Question number 16.
Do you like to draw or paint?
Yes, I like to draw.
Question number 17.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Question number 18.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Question number 19.
What makes you happy?
Playing with my friends makes me happy.
Question number 20.
Do you like to play outside?
Yes, I love to play outside.
Question number 21.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
Hey kids, thanks for tuning into Kids Quest. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome adventures. See you next time.